today I'm really excited because I'm gonna be making a fridge for dolls. And I don't know, I just really like making small things or like just furniture and things for dolls because it's just so small and I really love it. And I enjoy making things for dolls. So first we're gonna need a toothpaste box. Maybe not one that comes with one toothpaste, but one that comes with 2 or 3 toothpaste are better because they're wider. Or if you have one that comes with 1 toothpaste, stick them together. Now what we're gonna do is we need a front door. So you just want to cut out a front door like this. I want to cut over here along the edge, only 3 sides. So guys, now what we're gonna do is, after you cut it out, these edges are looking pretty rough. So I'm using masking tape. So guys, here I'm gonna seal the top. So guys, now you're gonna take white pieces of paper and you're gonna glue it like this. Make sure there's extra down and up. You're gonna glue these 2 here like that. So guys, after you have the top and bottom, I put some glue and I'm gonna take a piece like this and slowly, gently, you want to put it in and glue it. And then the excess paper you can fold down and glue it here, like that. So guys, now it should look like this. And now you want to choose a fridge color. I'm using this hot pink. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue it on like this. From here, I just wanna glue it on like that. Glue the front, like this. So guys, now it should look like this. And now on the top, instead of pink, I decided to go with white. So guys, now you're gonna take a cardboard piece and you're gonna cover it in white paper. So guys, now you're gonna take this piece and you just wanna stick it here, like that. So guys, what you're gonna do is, here I made these. So it's cardboard covered in paper, and we're gonna glue it inside as the shells, like this. I made 3 shells. You can make as many more or maybe less. So guys, here is a piece of clear plastic that you'll be needing. I drew it with permanent marker and I'm gonna remove it with nail polish remover. And now you're just gonna tape it together with clear tape to make like this small bin. So guys, it should look like this. Now with glitter foam sheet, I rolled up some glitter foam sheet to make the handle. And now we can just slide it in here. Next, I made these the same way as I made those. And you want to stick them. And one more in here. Make sure they close. And now I made this decoration piece, which I'm gonna stick on right here. And of course, we need a handle for the fridge. So guys, here's how our fridge looks. I really love it. We also have this, so you can put vegetables and things like that. And here we have some caviar. We can put that in the fridge. Some sushi. ice cream. You can put it at the top. We have some more food. These are all DIY foods. And comment if you want me to make any of these foods. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!